Welcome to today's video. In this session, we'll explore the world of digital marketing freelancing. From what it means, how to get started, to strategies for building a successful career, this video will provide valuable insights for anyone looking to thrive in the digital marketing freelance space. So, let's dive right in. Digital marketing has become a cornerstone of modern business. As companies transition to online platforms, the demand for skilled digital marketers has skyrocketed. Freelancers in this field offer a wide range of services, including social media management, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, email campaigns, and more. But what exactly is digital marketing freelancing? Digital marketing freelancing involves offering marketing services to businesses, brands, or individuals on a project basis. Unlike traditional employment, freelancers have the flexibility to choose their clients, set their rates, and work on multiple projects simultaneously. This flexibility has made freelancing a popular choice among digital marketers, allowing them to build a diverse portfolio and expand their expertise. So, why should one consider freelancing in the digital marketing field? Well, there are several advantages to this career path. Let's discuss a few key benefits. Flexibility and independence. Freelancers have the freedom to work from anywhere, at any time. This allows them to create a work-life balance that suits their personal preferences. For many, this independence is the biggest draw to freelancing. Diverse client base. Freelancers can work with clients from different industries, providing a unique opportunity to learn about various business models and markets. This diversity also allows them to specialize in niches that interest them the most. Income potential. As a freelancer, one can set their own rates based on their skills and experience. With the right marketing and client acquisition strategies, it's possible to earn a substantial income through freelancing in digital marketing. Skill development. Working on diverse projects helps digital marketing freelancers to continually refine their skills. Each project presents new challenges, keeping the work engaging and contributing to continuous professional growth. Now, let's move on to how to get started as a digital marketing freelancer. The process can be broken down into a few critical steps. Step 1. Building a skill set before diving into freelancing. It's essential to develop a strong foundation in digital marketing. This includes learning SEO, content marketing, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, social media management, and analytics. There are numerous online courses and resources that can help beginners get up to speed. Step 2. Creating a portfolio. Solid portfolio showcases one's skills and past projects. It acts as a resume, helping potential clients understand what a freelancer can bring to their business. It's beneficial to include case studies, examples of successful campaigns, and testimonials from satisfied clients. Step 3. Choosing a niche. While it's tempting to offer all types of digital marketing services, choosing a niche can make a freelancer more marketable. Specializing in a particular area, like Facebook ads, Instagram marketing, or email automation, can help attract clients looking for expertise in that field. Step 4. Finding clients. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for specific skills. However, building a strong online presence on LinkedIn, joining industry-related groups, and attending webinars can also help in finding clients directly. Step 5. Setting rates and negotiating contracts. Determining the right pricing for services is crucial. It's advisable to research industry standards and consider factors like experience, location, and the complexity of the projects when setting rates. Additionally, negotiating contracts and outlining clear project deliverables ensures a smooth working relationship with clients. Building a successful career in digital marketing freelancing takes time, effort, and the right strategies. Here are a few tips for long-term success. Continuously update skills. Digital marketing trends change rapidly. It's important to stay updated with the latest industry developments, new tools, and platform algorithms to remain competitive. Focus on customer service. A freelancer's reputation is their brand. Delivering projects on time, being responsive to client needs, and maintaining a professional attitude can lead to long-term contracts and referrals. Leverage social media. Using platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram to showcase expertise can attract potential clients. Sharing case studies, industry insights, and helpful content can establish a freelancer as an authority in their niche. Time management. One of the challenges of freelancing is managing time effectively. Tools like Trello, Asana, and time tracking apps can help freelancers stay organized, meet deadlines, and balance multiple projects. Invest in personal branding. A personal website or blog can be a powerful tool for attracting clients. It serves as a platform to share knowledge, showcase work, and even collect testimonials from happy clients. Digital marketing freelancing can be a rewarding career path, offering the opportunity to work with clients globally and contribute to their business growth. For those who are self-motivated and passionate about the digital space, it offers a dynamic and flexible career choice. To summarize, digital marketing freelancing is ideal for those who value flexibility, are willing to continuously learn, and enjoy helping businesses succeed online. With the right approach, dedication, and persistence, anyone can build a successful freelancing career in this ever-evolving industry. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on freelancing and digital marketing. Feel free to leave your questions or thoughts in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.